This is what Jax gets for doing things to Pomni and the rest. I hope Jax doesn't fly and hit the camera.
I hope he doesn't get abstracted.
I mean, he already is, so this...
What?
I don't think this is the highest mode. Who
This
cares?
is the highest one. I think you became spoiled term, Jax.
Here, let's turn off the fan. Let's see what happens. Let's see if he fly. Oh, shoot. Damn, Jax. Content, baby. Woo! Stop touching him.
Wait. You shouldn't go with that meme that goes round and round and
I
round.
shouldn't.
and round and round and
I think I'll do it later.
in YouTube.
Yeah. Stop. Stop.